Hey, I'm Angie and my YouTube is Grateful for Disney, and yesterday I did a packing video that took me basically like 3 weeks and 3 days and an extra 10 minutes just to do the video, and I today have finished my packing. So it is all set over here. Everything is good to go. I got all my makeup. So Chris here has said he is going to show a more efficient way for you guys, show the guys how to do packing for guys.
So this is man packing. I thought Angie would want some help with this. Now, to be fair, I have spent a good 15 minutes at least getting these things out of my drawer and putting them. But if you keep them folded, then we're gonna be gone for about 10 days. So here's my 10 shirts, and I have about 7 pairs of shorts because you can get away with wearing those a couple of times over. Plus there'll be some stuff there to watch. You know, they never put these in the videos. You wonder, where's all the undergarments those women are packing? You gotta have underwear. All right, and I got some socks here. I'm gonna put those right in here. Yeah, there we go. All right, that's socks. Now, I like to have something comfortable to wear around like that. And you know the other thing? See, there's always more room in a suitcase than you realize because you can just do this, right? And
this is a London Fog suitcase.
Yeah, it's not even mine. I just, we like them matching. So this is, I keep this ready to go all the time so that I can just go, all right, yeah, I'm going out of town.
Go through it individually.
There we go. Oh, let's see. What do you need in there? Stuff to shave with, deodorant, Q-tips, toothpaste, mouthwash, you know, some shaving stuff. There you go, right?
Okay.
All right. And we need our hat, but I won't pack that. I'll put that on my head. Now, I do like to have some workout stuff. So I've already got a bunch of workout shorts.
So we will be going to Planet Fitness a couple of times.
We'll throw the bathing suit in there. That's good. I'm probably going to wear the comfy tennis shoes here, so we'll just keep them out. Oh, let's see.
Comfy tennis shoes are Nikes. These are Nike Swift. They're amazing.
And we're going to zip this up.
Wait, you forgot your Disney stuff.
That'll come too. We're just not going to pack that. Do we want to put that in the thing? Because we've got our sunglasses here.
It's okay. I may have room in my suitcase.
And we've got our hat here, so that's all good. And I can just put this on like this, see, and carry this on my shoulder.
I feel like Joey and the SF
So I'm ready to go. Let's do it. Disney World, here we come.
All right, well done. Thank you.
All right.